I, like I mentioned just now, I take full responsibility and I apologize for this shortcoming in our competition, which we did expect the unexpected arrival of the large number of athletes. So yes, we can do better. We will do better next time. We learned through this mistake, and I have appealed to all the athletes, all the associations, all the district associations to take it in a sporting spirit. We faced a lot of challenges. The MSOA intention was to ensure that the games continue, right? However, that is no excuse for us. We must make it better, right? So what we will do is we will review this after this games are over. We'll have a review meeting and we will find out where all are the shortcomings, and we assure everyone that we will improve this situation. You see, there was a training hall which was used also in the 2020. So the difference was in 2020, third Meghalaya Games, we held it in February. So there were no rains. So this time we are holding it in the first week of May. This also teaches us incessant rains for the last 2-3 days caused all the seepage, leakage on that particular indoor hall. And that's how, obviously if there's some seepage and leakage, then athletes will be unhappy. And as I think you know, there were unused toilets, which were a no-go area, because we had instructed all not to use them. This age of social media, somehow somebody takes a picture and then circulates it, and So, well, like I said, we have provided bio toilets, we have provided additional toilets, temporary toilets, and hence, like I said, we accept all these shortcomings. I take full responsibility as the working president of the MSOA, and we will try to learn from it. The entire committee, their focus was on how to ensure that the games are consistent. Like as you said, we had the second games in 2004, and we had the third after 16 years. So, we are grateful to the government and to the Department of Sports for supporting this agenda. Yes, I agree. We will all, CM said, after the games, we will sit and review, and we'll find out where were the shortcomings, and we'll improve on them.